Most people get this wrong when choosing HVAC software. They think all tools are basically the same, so they pick based on price alone. But here's the truth no one tells you. The wrong software can slow your techs down, create missed appointments, and quietly cost you thousands every month. In this video, you will learn the real difference between Jobber and Housecall Pro for HVAC businesses in 2026. You will see which one fits small teams, which one scales better, and which one actually improves your daily operations instead of complicating them. And here's the important part. We are not just listing features. We are looking at how each tool performs in real HVAC workflows like dispatching, estimates, invoicing, and customer communication. Because that is where most owners feel the pain. Let's start with Jobber. Jobber is designed to be simple. Think of a small HVAC company with maybe 1 to 10 technicians. Someone like Jake runs a heating and cooling business and needs quick scheduling, clean invoices, and easy job tracking. Jobber does this really well. The interface is clean, and training new staff is fast. You can create jobs, assign techs, and send invoices in just a few clicks. But here's the problem. As your HVAC business grows, Jobber can start to feel limited. Advanced dispatching and deeper automation are not as strong as some competitors. If you are running multiple crews in different zones, you may start noticing gaps in routing efficiency and reporting depth. Now, let's talk about Housecall Pro. Whoa. Housecall Pro is built more for scaling service businesses. Imagine John runs a growing HVAC company with 15 to 30 technicians. He needs smarter dispatching, better automation, and stronger customer communication tools. This is where Housecall Pro starts to shine. It offers more advanced scheduling features, better route optimization, and stronger marketing tools like automated follow-ups and review requests. This can directly help you get more repeat customers without extra manual work. But here's where it gets interesting. Housecall Pro is powerful, but that power comes with complexity. New users sometimes feel overwhelmed in the beginning. Setup takes longer, and teams may need more training compared to Jobber. So let's break it down in real HVAC situations. If your biggest problem is speed and simplicity, Jobber usually wins. Your techs can learn it quickly, and office staff can manage jobs without confusion. It keeps things clean and predictable. But if your biggest problem is scaling and growth, Housecall Pro usually wins. It gives you more control over dispatching, customer follow-ups, and automation that can help you grow without hiring as fast. Now here is something most HVAC owners miss. Software is not just about features. It is about bottlenecks. If your bottleneck is communication and missed follow-ups, Housecall Pro is stronger. If your bottleneck is complexity and staff training, Jobber is safer. Let's talk pricing very simply. Both platforms are subscription-based, and pricing can increase as you add more users and features. Jobber tends to stay more predictable for small teams, while Housecall Pro often becomes more cost-effective when you fully use its automation and marketing tools at scale. So which one should you choose in 2026? If you are a small to mid-sized HVAC business focused on simple scheduling, easy invoicing, and fast onboarding, Jobber is likely the better fit. It keeps your operations smooth without overwhelming your team. But if you are a growing HVAC company aiming to scale, automate follow-ups, improve dispatch efficiency, and increase customer retention, Housecall Pro is usually the stronger long-term option. And here's the final takeaway. The best HVAC software is not the most popular one. It is the one that removes your biggest daily headache without adding new ones. If you found this breakdown helpful, like the video, subscribe for more software comparisons, and comment what size your HVAC business is. That way, I can help you choose the exact setup that fits your workflow.